Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT with Google Sheets. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to leverage ChatGPT's AI capabilities directly within your spreadsheets, making tasks like content generation, data analysis, and automation much more efficient. To get started, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log in to your Google account using your credentials. This will take you to your Workspace dashboard where you can access all your Google applications and files. From the Workspace dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to integrate ChatGPT. This could be an existing spreadsheet you're already working on, or you can create a new one specifically for this purpose. The key is to have the spreadsheet open and ready before adding the extension. Now look at the top menu bar of your Google Sheet and click on Extensions. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover over Add-ons, which will reveal another menu. From there, click on Get Add-ons. This action will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can browse and install various tools and extensions to enhance your Google Sheets functionality. In the Marketplace search bar, type GPT for Sheets and hit Enter. You'll see the add-on appear in the search results. Click on it to open the Details page, where you can learn more about its features. Once you're ready, click the Install button to begin the installation process. A confirmation message will pop up on your screen asking you to verify that you want to proceed with the installation. Go ahead and click Continue to move forward. Next, you'll need to authorize the add-on to access your Google account, so click Continue again when prompted to log in. You'll now see a permission screen with several checkboxes listing the access rights the add-on requires to function properly. These permissions allow the add-on to read and modify your spreadsheet data and connect with ChatGPT's API. Check all the checkboxes to grant the necessary access, then click Continue to proceed. At this point, the installation will begin processing. This might take a few moments, so be patient while the add-on is being configured and linked to your Google Sheets account. You'll see a progress indicator or loading message during this time. Once the installation is complete, you'll receive a notification confirming that GPT for Sheets has been successfully added to your account. You can go ahead and close this confirmation window. The GPT for Sheets panel should now appear on the right side of your spreadsheet. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. Just click on Extensions in the top menu again, then hover over GPT for Sheets and click Open from the submenu. This will activate the panel and make it visible. And that's it. You've successfully connected ChatGPT with Google Sheets, and you're now ready to use AI-powered features directly within your spreadsheets to streamline your workflow. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.